want to talk about ChatGPT.
How many of you know what ChatGPT is?
You know, ChatGPT, you look at that and you're like, wait a minute, this is real.
A new artificial intelligence tool is going viral.
A robot you can talk to, a chatbot.
AI chatbot.
AI. Everyone's been talking about it, but has anyone really ever put it to the test? The answer is yes, obviously, but not like I'm about to do. As you know, I've been a personal trainer for 12 years now, and I want to see if AI could actually generate a great workout program for me. So I'm going to give it some specifics and follow whatever it spits out, no matter what it says, and see if I can survive. The only thing is it's a brand new year right now, so my gym is absolutely packed. So I'm gonna put the AI to the test and see if it can make me a solid home workout program. So I'll be using ChatGPT today, which is probably the most popular AI right now, and apparently it's really smart. So let's start simple with the old AI and give it a very basic question. Hi, how are you doing? Hello, I'm an artificial intelligence assistant, so I don't have feelings like a human does. However, I'm here to help you with any questions you might have to the best of my ability. Is there something specific you'd like to know or discuss? Well, as I suspected, no feelings at all. All right, let's just get straight to the point then. Should I have protein when working out? Protein is an important nutrient for the body, and it can be especially beneficial for people who are physically active. Protein helps to build and repair tissues, and it can be used. Okay, but long story short, yeah, we need protein. Let's go. All right, got the protein. Protein, check. All right, AI, let's see if you can pass this test. I need a 30-minute home workout, but I only have dumbbells and my body weight. I want to work my upper body. Give me a program with these factors in mind. Let's see what happens. Here's a sample upper body workout that you can do at home using only dumbbells and your body weight. Alternating dumbbell bicep curls, push-ups, incline dumbbell bench. I don't really have an incline. I mean, I do technically, but I didn't tell it I had one. Plank shoulder taps, okay, tricep dips, dumbbell bent over rows, incline dumbbell flies, side planks. Rest for 30 to 60 seconds in between sets. If you're a beginner, start with lighter weights and fewer reps. Okay, it did it. It did it. This is a pretty sick workout. I have heard that you can also respond to these. Like, so maybe, can you give me a warm up and a cool down for this workout? Whoa. Light jog, 2 to 3 minutes, arm circles, shoulder rolls, chest stretch, downward facing dog. So it's repeating the workout for me after giving me the warm up. Let's see what the cool down looks like. Child's pose, seated forward fold, chest stretch, cross body shoulder stretch, downward facing dog. Okay, I gotta say, first impression, I'm pretty impressed. This is a full workout, 8 exercises, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, which is pretty standard. And this is a pretty decent warm up and cool down. Now I'm actually gonna break down this AI's workout from a personal training perspective, but before I can judge someone else's program, I've gotta put myself into it. So it's time to put it to the test. Trainer versus AI, who's gonna win? All right, let's get it, let's go. Also, I'll be seeing if I can get this all done in 30 minutes, just like it asked me to. That's 10. We're looking at 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Just to speed up things, I'm gonna go ahead and superset that with the push-ups. I'm going straight into it, baby. Let's go. We're at 12 minutes. So So now we got tricep dips and dumbbell bent over rows. We're burning time fast, so I'm gonna do double arm rows instead of just single. We got 2 exercises left. It shouldn't be that difficult to get them done. We have 12 and a half minutes, but the side planks are gonna take a long time because it has us doing 3 sets of 30 seconds on each side. That's crazy. All right, here we go. Yo, it's been a while since I've done side planks, and my obliques kind of suck. All right, we survived. Oh shoot, I forgot about the cool down. Okay, let's go. We got 5 minutes, Whew, I'm tight. I've been training for a Spartan race recently. I've been running a lot. I'm a little tight. I probably needed this, to be honest. I think we're gonna finish with 5 seconds to spare. Holy crap. I'm finishing right at 30 minutes with, this is including the warm up, the workout, and the cool down. This is right at 30 minutes. That's actually really impressive. I gotta hand it to AI. They got the 30-minute part of the workout down like perfectly. So now let's actually jump into the workout itself and break down each section from a personal training perspective. Whew. Okay, that was difficult, especially in under 30 minutes. Like, wow. Okay, so here is gonna be my professional breakdown of exactly what we just did, and is this actually a really good workout program for you? So we started with a light warm up with a march in place. We did some arm circles, shoulder rolls, chest stretch, and downward facing dog. I like most of this for a warm up. It's actually really good. The thing that I like is that most of these are dynamic stretches. And a rule of thumb is that you want to do dynamic stretching before your workout. And dynamic just basically means that you're going to be moving. The only thing on here that's a static stretch is downward facing dog. So I would probably cut that out. But other than that, this is a pretty good warm up. And if you're using heavier weight, you'll want to be more specific in your stretching. So like if you're about to do squats with maybe 200 pounds, you would want to warm up with the bar and then maybe 135, 185, and then build up to your working weight. So warm up, I give it a solid 7 out of 10. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, like I said, just take off the downward facing dog and add some more specific exercises in there. Although we're doing a home workout, so you may not need those as much as you would at a gym. Okay, up next for the actual workout itself, you have dumbbell alternating bicep curls. So you're hitting the biceps, that's okay. Then you're hitting push-ups, so it's gonna be chest and triceps. Then you're going with incline dumbbell press. The thing about that is most people wouldn't have an incline at their house to use. So I wouldn't put that in a home workout program unless my clients specifically told me they had an incline bench. Then you have plank shoulder taps. I really don't think these do that much at all. If you're gonna do anything, I would just stick with regular planks and maybe even add a backpack for some weight. Then tricep dips, I think that's a solid exercise. Dumbbell bent over rows, solid exercise. Incline dumbbell fly. Once again, we're using an incline and we never told the AI that we had an incline. I mean, you can makeshift this and maybe sit on like a chair that you can lean back on or something. But other than that, I mean, I wouldn't put that on a program. And then you have side planks. Okay. So a couple of things with this workout. Number one is that you almost always want to start with your big compound movements. Here we're starting with dumbbell curls. I would place the dumbbell curls towards the end and probably place push-ups or incline dumbbell press in that first spot. And then I would alternate it with dumbbell bent over rows. So you see how it has you doing push-ups followed by incline dumbbell press? Those are 2 chest exercises. I would like to see it alternate, maybe go chest and then back and then chest and then back, or push, pull, push, pull. And then you could place the dumbbell bicep curls down here right next to the tricep dips and you could superset those. I would just take out dumbbell incline flies. I don't think you need that at all right here. You're already doing push-ups and dumbbell press, so you should be getting enough chest workout for the home. Instead, I would probably place a shoulder exercise in there, maybe dumbbell lateral raises, or maybe even a dumbbell overhead press. And then it has you doing side planks. I'd rather just have you do full range of motion crunches or reverse crunches, just something to work on the rectus abdominis. I don't think it's really that necessary to work on the obliques unless you're training specifically for something that utilizes the obliques. Overall, this is an okay workout. It has the right amount of exercises and the right amount of sets and reps. It has some pretty solid solid exercises in there as well. A lot of these I would put in my own programs, but I don't really like the way it's arranged, and I would definitely switch out some of these exercises. So I'm gonna give the workout a 5 out of 10. All right, moving on to the cool down, you have child's pose, seated forward fold, chest stretch, cross body shoulder stretch, and downward facing dog. So I actually really like this. Just like I said, you wanna start with dynamic stretching. If you're gonna stretch at the end, it should be more static stretching, and you're holding for just 30 seconds on each one of these, so it's not consuming too much time. I really like this. During this time is probably when you would wanna have your protein shake. And also you can have your protein shake throughout your workout as well. That's probably even more optimal. I think this cool down's all right. You're hitting a lot of the body parts that we just worked out, and that's exactly what you wanna stretch. I think it's pretty solid. I give it a 9 out of 10. So out of a potential 30 points, I give this AI's workout program a 22 out of 30. That's actually not bad at all. That's a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. Honestly, I thought I would just spit in something here and it would just shoot out some crap, but actually it was a pretty good workout. There are definitely much better workouts that you can do out there, but not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I just have a few more questions for the AI. Thanks for the workout program. I rated it a 22 out of 30. I'm glad to have been able to help. I'm sorry if the workout didn't meet your expectations. Please keep in mind that the workout I provide is just a sample and can be modified to suit your individual needs and fitness level. If you'd like to make any changes to the workout or have any questions, feel free to ask. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a certified personal trainer. Wow, ChatGPT is really winning me over. Before starting a new exercise program to ensure that it is safe and appropriate for you. I like that response. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, one more question. Sure. What's your question? Are you going to take over the world? As an artificial intelligence, my primary goal is to assist and serve humans to the best of my ability. I have no desire or capacity to take over the world. My programming is designed to help me better understand and assist with a wide range of tasks and subjects, but I do not have the ability to think or act independently. Let's hope so. I rely on the input and guidance of humans to function, and I do not have the ability to make decisions or take actions on my own. You know, I gotta say overall, ChatGPT has won over my heart, especially with the personal training comment, but I still don't know if I can trust it. Actually, can I trust you? As an artificial intelligence, I am a neutral and unbiased entity. I do not have personal opinions or bias. Okay, I think that's enough. All right, so long story short, ChatGPT or AI can make you a pretty decent workout program. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't bad. But keep in mind this is very general and you're gonna want something that's more tailored towards your goals and limitations. What other types of questions would you ask AI? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it interesting.